Hello kids, today, let us learn about industries.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new video.
Industries are places where people and machines work together to make products. They take raw materials like cotton, wheat, iron, use tools, machines and technology, and make finished goods like clothes, bread, cars. Think of it as magic transformation, just like turning clay into a beautiful vase. There are three main types of industries in India. Cottage industries, the tiny tradition keepers, made at home or in small workshops, mostly by hand with simple tools. Examples: pottery, hand-woven saris and carpets, handmade bangles and jewellery. Small-scale industries, the local heroes. Small factories with a few machines and workers make products for nearby towns and cities. Examples: soap and candle making, bakery items, wooden toys and furniture. Large-scale industries, the giants of production. Huge factories with thousands of workers, big, powerful machines, can make products for the whole country or even the world. Examples: automobile industry, Tata Motors, Mahindra. Steel industry, Jamshedpur Steel Plant. Textile industry, Surat and Mumbai clothing factories. Food industry, Amul, Parle. Space industry, ISRO. Other types of industries by use. Primary industries use natural resources directly, farming, fishing, mining. Secondary industries turn raw materials into finished products, textile mills, car factories. Tertiary industries provide services, not products, banks, transport, education. Why are industries important? Give us clothes, houses, machines, vehicles and gadgets, provide jobs to millions of people, help in exporting goods and earning money for the country, support agriculture by processing crops into useful items, help in building roads, schools and hospitals.
That was all about industries of India.
Let's learn another interesting topic in next video.